Hello! Hello mga palangga! Good morning! So, medyo nagpaganda ako ng konti. Nag-ayos-ayos lang kasi yung balikbayan box ko ngayon is due for collection. And as I was informed, sabi nila na before lunch daw. So, I'm getting excited! Na-excite ako na parang nalulungkot kasi yung balikbayan box ko maglalayag na, and na-excite ako kasi alam ko na masaya yung family ko para dito. So, ito na. Ready to go na yung mga my loves ko. Oh. Yan. At meron din akong munting regalo dito para sa mga kuyang magpipik ng aking mga balikbayan box. Pasasalamat na rin para sa kanila ba, sa kanilang dedication sa service nila. Pero I'm not sure mga palangga if tumatanggap ba sila ng munting regalo kasi yun na nga, dahil sa pandemic, baka hindi sila tumatanggap, but it's up to them kasi quality street lang naman. Nung pumunta kami sa Tesco the other day, sabi ko, sige, bili ako nito. Para naman may manable sila sa kanilang journey. So, it's up to them kung tatanggapin ba nila. But, if not, I won't be offended kasi yun na nga, dahil sa pandemic. And, sinanitize ko naman yung box. So, it's really up to them. So, I'm just waiting. Yung oras dito is 8:09 na ng umaga. Our clock goes backward last night, midnight. So, instead na 9 o'clock ngayon, 8 o'clock pa. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit nag-change sila ng clock dito. Pero, yun yung sistema nila. And I am lucky kasi every time na nag-change yung clock nila dito, wala ako sa trabaho.
Breakfast. Bread and water.
Yeah. So, meron akong bread dito and coffee. So, snack muna before dumating si LBC. Tingnan nyo yung pagmumukha ko. Ang laki ng pimples ko, mga loves. Wala pa din si LBC. So, magla-lunch muna kami. Sandali lang. Dadalhin ko yung cellphone ko kasi baka tumawag sila or hindi ko alam. Saan nga ba yun? Ito na. They quite clearly said before lunch. Pero baka na-delay lang. Hello! Look at you. Look at you, sir. Nandito na yung LBC. I'm excited. Tinutulungan ni Mr. sila, oh. Honey, you need to try to move. Hello! Are you alright? Thank you very much. Thank you.
laging tiyak kami.
Oo.
Yung pagod short na ayan.
Oh, thank you very much.
Pwede na siguro sa kanya to large.
Ay, pwede na yan. Oh, salamat,
Kasi
Jing.
meron ako extra large but it's too big.
It's okay. Salamat na. Oo, salamat. Thank you. Thank you for the freebie, Jing. So, siya po.
Okay daw.
Yeah, sobrang babait nila.
Ano?
Ah.
Ah, short.
Sige, okay lang. Okay. Ingat kayo. Ingat. Bye. There you go. Oh. Sobrang effort nila talaga kasi sila talaga yung nag-pick up sa box ko. Salamat, Jing, Joy, Kuya Edwin. Salamat. Ginaw. Sinisipon ako, promise. But then, so yung next, oh no, nakalimutan kong ibigay. Naku naman. Nakalimutan ko talaga. Sas nako ba naman, uy. Ito pala yung binigay nila sa akin. Salamat talaga. I-try ko nga to kasi, extra small to. Ito na! Wow! Thank you, LPC! So, ito yung, extra small nila. Yan. Ang ganda, ha? Yan. So, ito siya. Same din kay Mr. And meron din silang pa-umbrella. Ito. Sobrang magagamit namin to dito kasi palaging umuulan sa amin. So, thank you! Salamat talaga. Nanghihinaya lang talaga ako dito mga palangga. Itong hindi ko siya nabigay. Hala, uy. Pasensyahan. Na-excite lang talaga ako and then wala na. Hindi ko na siya naalala. Hi! Pero ito na. Sabi ninyo na red suits me. So, ito na si LBC. So, yung next stage ng ating balikbayan box is ihahati nila yun sa warehouse and parang masiship siguro siya the next week pa. And then, dun na ako magbibilang ng 6 to 8 weeks. So, yes. Pero I'm pretty sure hindi siguro siya aabot sa Christmas mga palangga. After Christmas na siguro, pero it's okay. It's my fault din kasi natagalan tayo sa pag-ready ng ating mga balikbayan boxes and ano pa nga ba. And naghintay din ako sa padala ng kaibigan ni Mr. So, yun. So, ako yung masisisi dito. So, anyway, yung oras dito is 1:37 na dito ng hapon. And maglilitsyon ako ngayon. Kailangan natin i-preheat yung oven. Ayan. Yan, preheat natin. And then, ano pa nga ba? Mapapansin siguro ako. Huhubadin ko muna to kasi maglilitsyon ako and then mangangamoy yung buong bahay. And pati ako mangamoy. Ito na yung litsyon natin. Ayan. Wow, ang bango. Ang bango-bango ng lechon. Oops. Merong online. Stay there. Nagro-roll siya. Ay, okay na yan. So, kailangan ko na itong simulan. Kailangan ko na itong ilagay sa oven. Kasi, medyo malaki-laki ito. Kaya, bye!
Later.
What? 70 years. You like to move it? What? Like a model.
Oh my goodness, John! Para sa pansit natin. Ito na. You ready? On the table. So, ito na yung lechon natin. Yan. Sobrang bango. And, listen. Ang crunchy ng skin niya. Yan. And ito na yung pansit natin. Kain!
Have you got knives and forks out?
Nope.
Right.
Are you ready, mister?
Ready, Mrs. Mazarat, this is your piece. You want that piece? That piece? That piece. How big a piece would you like? Half. Tell me when. Tell me when you're ready.
Ready.
I need to get the string off.
Listen to the crackling.
Well, you can listen to the crackling, alright? Pull the string. Pull the string. You can get it out. Then what you do, you cut down where the string's been because it's so soft under the string, you see. And just cuts beautifully.
Thank you.
Well, this is a problem, this, isn't it? That's
Yeah.
probably too big, that.
No, you can have this and I have this piece. What do you think?
Although, but that might not be just. Well, we'll see.
Special day ngayon. Naka-LBC si Mr.
Wait,
So, ito yung bigay ni LBC. You need to say thank you.
I work for LVC. I'm the model. Aren't I?
Mm-hmm.
I am the face of LVC now.
Yeah,
They
okay.
don't know that yet, but
Yeah. So, kain!
you can smell the lemongrass.
And of course, pag may lechon, may Mang Tomas. Yan.
Could we move this lechon away now?
Kain lang kami ha, manood lang kayo. Do you want Mang Tomas?
Just have a little bit.
A little bit there.
Ooh!
Ooh.
Just might get carried away sometimes.
You need to tell me what it tastes like.
Tastes like
Alright?
very good.
Good. Mm. I want to eat the skin. Sleeves up. So do you like your LBC?
Oh yes. Can you tell?
I'm just not used to see John wearing this
So
kind of color.
bright, so bright.
Yeah, the shade of color is just different.
Battery's blinking.
Mm. What?
No, that's it, I've had enough.
Pudding time.
Well,
Cheesecake.
we
It's first.
haven't got cheesecake. So
No.
I knew we didn't buy the ingredients. So we've got dinner tomorrow at Cancel. We've got lecho. We have Pansy UK. Not Cebu Pansy, this is our Pansy. I noticed that you haven't got the big, thicker brown noodles in there, have you?
No, just a white one, the clear one, I should say.
Why don't you use the brown one?
Because we don't have.
Well, that's the reason.
We
We used to put it in though, didn't we? Yeah, I think we did. So we're on the little skinny bird nest ones.
What time is it? Should be 5 o'clock now, isn't it?
It should be somewhere there.
Yeah.
Sun's going down now, you see. I need to tell the
Yung
bird.
time nila nag-change last night, in the midnight, isn't it? Backwards. So, it feels late. That's it, we're gonna clean up.
I spilled rice. Oh.
Be careful.
The next day.
Lalabas tayo mga palangga. Papunta lang tayo saglit sa ating garden. Kasi may nakita na naman ako mga hinog na raspberries. But I think this will be the last time na meron tayong maha-harvest for the season. Kasi parang yung raspberries natin, yung iba, nag-i-start na silang mag-yellow. So, let's go. At meron akong payong dito. Salamat, LBC. Ito yung isa sa mga freebies na binigay nila. So, binigyan nila kami ng dalawang parang jacket and dalawang umbrella. So, gagamitin natin to kasi kumaambon. Tamang-tama to mga palangga kasi clear siya. Ay, ginaw. At least dito sa countryside, magagamit talaga natin to. Tingnan nyo to. Eh? Si Jan nandoon sa bintana. What? Just checking out. Tingnan nyo. May mole dito Magdidig ng soil natin ng ground. Can you see me? Ang wet ng ground, mga loves. So ito bilisan natin yung pag-harvest kasi yun na nga, umuulan. So I cannot show you everything.
Windscreen wipers in this weather.
Why not? It's freezing, sweetheart.
Just cooled. They're raspberries. They don't look very healthy.
They're very ripe.
Yeah, I'll give you some real like
Okay, hala, umuulan na talaga. Ang fresh. Sobrang fresh sa labas. So, ito lang yung nakuha natin. Nagmamadali ako. Marami siyang hinog, pero yung hinog, sobrang hinog na nila, yung na-overripe na sila ba. At dahil umuulan na for the last 3 days dito, ang nangyayari sa kanila, sobrang soft na nila. And, parang may kumakain na sa kanila. So, titingnan ko lang to ng maayos kung pwede ko ba silang kainin. Lalagyan ko lang ng asin. Lalagyan ko lang ng kaunting asin. then, yun na. Na-miss ko to mga palangga. Na-miss kong mag-light ng ating wood burner. Lumalamig na kasi dito, kaya ito, nagsisimula na tayong magsindi. Medyo relax tayo ngayon kasi hindi kasi ako magluluto ngayon ng tea kasi meron tayong mga leftover from yesterday, yung lechon, pansit. So, yun yung hapunan namin. We're having an early tea. Yan o, kasi gutom. Tingnan niyo yung ulan. Naku! So anyway mga palangga, ito na yung vlog natin for today. Maraming salamat and see you in my next vlog. Bye, Jen!
Bye-bye.
Mwah! Bye!